Hi YouTubers. First of all, thanks to all my subscribers. A friend of mine sent me an email and said, what's the difference between a bird and a can and all those junk meters? So I said, let's go head to head. We're just going to take a radio, inject a signal. First of all, we're going to go right into the bird meter. Let's see what we get here. Okay, first our carrier. On the left, maybe about 8 watts, 28 PEP on the right. Okay, 7/28, let's call it. Alright, next we'll take this can. There's plenty of plans on the internet. I'll put a link in this description. It's just a can with some resistors inside, a little bit of oil. It'll handle 75 watts. Costs a lot less than the bird meters or those other meters that don't work and give you them big, I'm not going to say what kind of watts, but anyway, you just put your digital voltmeter in. You could wire it up with wires or banana plugs. Alright, first we'll shoot a carrier, but let's call it 25. I'll show you a little chart in the end. You can make a chart up to convert so you don't have to do all the math in your head. Alright, PEP. Let's call it 53. Alright, so when we see the chart, there's a chart. What I did, I just did it on my computer, just make up a chart. Here's what it looks like. There's your results. Same thing. Save your money. Thank you.